You know what's funny? I got into...
It was Uber, but like he low-key was trying to kidnap me. I told him first. Like, because there was no GPS up or nothing. Like his phone was face down in the passenger seat.
Look at him. He just going right into the...
I'm like, oh, so you're trying to kill me?
You know what's funny? I got into a wrong car before. He know. He said no.
He know he ain't got no business going.
And it was like actually somebody's vehicle. It wasn't an Uber.
Not a real person. I opened somebody's car.
It was on my block. I sat down. I thought it was my friend grandma. I was like, hey, got it. She turned around and she looked at me like, excuse me. I'm like, oh, my
Get
bad.
out.
I was so embarrassed. I was like, all right, let me
I
go.
was right corner before border, like he wanted to shoot me. I thought it was my damn car because we was in Walmart. You know, Walmart parking lot is big.
Yeah.
I thought it was my damn car.
Yuma on the P, what's up?
The sugar factory. So we're in the sugar factory. I'm about to get the little drinks that bubble. I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's loud as hell in here. But yeah. She's recording me while I'm vlogging. Don't ask me why I'm not using my camera. Some of the footage on here is going to be on my camera, but... Yeah, it's so cute in here. Like, you see the mirrors that they have up. This is our first time here. This is actually Dom's first time being in New York. I cannot believe it, but we're about to have a good old little kiki. Get us a cute little drink or whatever. As we're in here in Upper West Side. So, our food came out super fast. Burger and dumb big. Everybody got burgers. And we're just waiting for our drink to come out now.
One, go. Oh my God.
He's talking about we lit.
My friends are actually at the bar trying to get a shot. I'm not taking a shot because I'm not on that type time. The Sugar Factory is lit. Look at her. What is she looking at? It's Club Sugar Factory. Like, this so lit. I don't understand what they're getting into, but they trying to be drunk. Walking around New York City. Where is she at? Did she get what? It's on you. It's on you. Ah! We just got Bonnie a free shot. He hit her. That's a new hairstyle. Look, like, he hit her. You traumatized. Dude, when you got finesse your way into some shots. The crazy thing is, I probably got a video and I'm cracking up. Body over there getting shots. I should have recorded this on my phone. What's your name? It is right here. I'm making a video. As as we wait here for our scuba. I'm just trying to get somebody to take a really good picture of me. Like, I need some great. You got my Cash App?
No, I didn't. Send me my money right now.
You burnt again.
Give me my money.
Stop and send it. And send it. Stop. No, I seen this post. It was like, I don't care how decent the song is. Don't do drugs. Don't put your hand in my face. Don't put your hand. I seen that Joe start cracking up my cup.
Bria, send me my money.
I did. Run me my money.
Bread.
Run me my money.
Run me my coin.
Run me my money.
I don't know how you can translate. It's just like.
Oh, yes. Outfit of the day. She has on these strap shoes. Yes, okay. Yeah.
Why is your name Sabir?
Sabir, that's her last name.
Well, I know that, but I thought you knew somebody else said that.
Hold on, wait a second. Did you say why your name's Sabir? Did you say I'm Muslim?
No. I didn't mean to do that.
Oh, we're actually in the city, ain't we?
You said it's the poppy part.
She said it's not the popping part,
Oh.
jerk. We don't eat here.
I do. The medicine employees treat me very well, and they're black.
You can't sit with this. Now we're on our way to the Museum of Sex. We're on our way to the Museum of Sex.
He's spiffy with his pink suit.
I think we're spiffy. Oh yes, spiffy. This is the Upper West Side. Today is a wonderful day. I don't know what this vlog is gonna look like, but it's gonna be an okay vlog. We having fun.
Just how to be ending it out.
But we're not ending it. We just started.
So how many seconds ago? 33?
Excuse me, it's many different clips.
Alright, shut up.
New York Institute of
Yo,
Technology.
did y'all ever go to like psychic reunions?
No.
No,
Did
I
you?
don't
That
want
shit
them
just
to tell me
reminded me
my
of it. The
future.
little thing in the window.
You went,
I'm
Mommy?
scared of stuff like that.
It's
don't
not.
tell me when
You
I'ma
shouldn't
die.
do that. First of all, they don't tell you when you're gonna die.
They let you know when your last day
No,
is.
they-
It'd be like a
They say, oh well, you.
real vague.
Yeah, they like, oh,
like-
someone in your life is sick. You like, oh yes. So, ooh.
They be lying.
You're gonna get a lot of money. You get that paycheck in 2 weeks.
You have a lot of money coming in. Oh, really? Yeah. So keep working hard. All right. Let me do overtime. You gotta like that. You gotta like that. All right.
We're supposed to be looking on Groupon.
Oh yeah. I
Yeah,
had-
turn this off. Goodbye.
First of all, I had to do something.
Adios.
Cállate, no toca mi teléfono.
Alright, this bitch.
He like her DJs.
What kind of song?
She
New
gonna play.
York. Wait, whose song is it? Is it Jay-Z's?
Yeah, don't.
Is Jay-Z song?
New York.
Yeah.
New York. I know, nigga.
It's Empire State of Mind, dum dum.
Yo, hurry up.
Yeah, like she over here struggling, trying to figure it out. Now she gonna play it all out. Oh my
I
god.
like that. I like that.
You like it?
I'm fine.
You like the song?
Ah!
I was heard so many times in my
You played it in your thing?
on YouTube.
On YouTube?
Oh, the mix, right? The girl and the man.
Yeah.
They call it Jay.
Yes, Jay-Z.
Jace, right?
Yes.
We're not in Harlem, but listen.
Yeah. 550 Straight Street. Chicken pastry. You think it's a good song? You feel it? You feel it? Uh-huh. Yeah.
Y'all gotta get the part they be like, New York.
I like you. Come on. Come on, you big
Yo.
What's going on?
Why
Oh,
not?
oh, you ready? You ready?
What's up?
Concrete, don't you
All right, we finally made it to Times Square. We ain't go to the Sex Museum because Dom never been to New York, so we wanted to give her an experience, and we probably wouldn't have had enough time to go to the Sex Museum and come down here to Times Square. So we're just gonna come down to Times Square. We'll probably just come back next time. Bro, how you feel you in Times Square? Do it look like the movies? It look like Philly. It don't look like Philly, bro. Ever.
Because, oh.
We gotta go over there and take pictures. I remember my ex was out here getting doodles drawn and shit. I actually feel like a whole tourist right now. There's about 80 people on these steps. I'm gonna need them to get off so we can get a good picture. Why everybody on these steps though? It's about to be a show or something? I gotta hear a little boy. Bless you. You better say salute. Out here. I'm gonna entitle this vlog Diamond's first time to New York. We just met Phil. We took some professional pictures. They look like good joints. You hear me? Now little Diamond's I'm about to go get some. I'll be doing that to my viewers and shit. Fuck you, viewers. We about to go to the gift shop and get her some gifts to shop. Yeah, they. How do y'all feel being in New York today?
It's a good.
Really fun.
Bye, Bonnie.
I'm hot as shit, but
Yeah, it's fucking hot.
I'm actually not
Cold
hot.
out here.
I'm not cold. It was cold in the car. Can we go? Ain't nobody coming. Let's go. Mira. Vamos. Smell like some. Yeah, no, he shake my hand. His hand was a little. His hands was a little clammy. I don't like people with clammy hands. You can't be trusted. Oh no. Excuse me. Ow! Don't lose each other.
need leashes out this joint.
What? Smell like. Oh, look at the little kitty cop jackets. Little snitch. Mom, what I look like? A snitch?
Like, remember you see me fucking with Dominic when he was at work?
Yeah.
Tell you how I look. Like a damn
Snitch.
Oh, it's so pretty in here.
What you want to get? Oh, we.
Bro! You ready? You got shot in the shoe. Anybody else want to be on that line? When I get on the phone,
Don't make a sound. Don't make a sound.
this way. This is 49.
My nigga knocking this shit out of my stuff.
But this, if we go down somewhere, what's that?
Where is we going?
The
to?
numbers are getting higher this way.
Oh, go this way then.
We walking to the bus?
We about to walk towards that direction, I guess. I don't know how far it is.
These fucking people getting on my
34th,
nerves.
11th, and 12th.
All right. Cause they keep not bumping you and shit.
But this nigga just like, his is a little aggressive.
Aggressive. He's like, excuse me. King Kong. It's King Kong. Not King Kong. We gotta stick together as a unit. Let's go, ladies.
I have a question. How are you today? How far is 34th, 11th,
15 minutes? All right, we can do that. All right, thank you.
If we could get in front of fucking
Look at this nice ass BMW. Like, bro, this is my aspirations. It's coming soon. I think it probably would have been farther if we had to walk from the sex museum. That's what, what's his name was? Our Uber driver was saying it would probably been farther.
I feel like it's about to rain. You see the clouds?
Yeah. I don't think it's supposed to rain tonight, but you never know. The weather in Philly stay different from the weather up here. It smell like some ass skibbles. You know how when it's thing you don't want to open your mouth and breathe. You don't want to breathe. You don't want to breathe that in. You'll be wanting to breathe that in. I gotta record some footage for the vlog because I feel like it's not a lot of footage at all. Nya nya. Nya nya. Ah, okay.
Black Americans ain't never changing for no hoes. Them Black Americans ain't never turning gay. They never changing for no hoes.
How you know? How you know that's not what they doing? He is. He stole that joint. He just stole the shit out of that shirt. It's different. Shit different out here. This New York is different. It's different. You say chicken and rice probably different. They got loud truck different. And New York.
I'm about to say that it's like 5 inches in the work.
But when you try to find a bank, how much you want bet ain't your bank? I don't want no surcharge. It's 35th? Or is it 34th we got turned down?
34 up there.
Please don't talk like that.
So we looking for.
We gotta get on the Mega Bus stop. You know where the Mega Bus stop is? This way. He said make a right.
Don't even know.
No, you got to go all the way.
You over here fronting with us.
Sorry.
He told us make a right at the 34th, the cop.
Yeah, make a right like boom.
Oh, right. Oh, I'm stupid because I'm not making love. I threw it to my left.
Oh my. Wait, where you from?
We from Philly.
Really?
Yeah. No, because I'm like, hold on, right is this way, but right is this way. I'm an asshole. He like, right to you.
He said we gotta make a right, pointing to the left.
Yeah, he like, yeah, make it right. All right, say that then. Let's cross right here.
Wait, what time the bus comes?
So how do you feel about New York, Dominique? As your
This shit different.
Yo.
I know it actually was a really fun experience. I had a lot of fun. There's a lot of lights out here. Too much going on sometimes. But other than that, it was lit.
It was lit.
We had a good time.